All right, so this is the timetable. And then this is just for natural science students. Yeah, so like I said, we're going to be meeting 2 times per week, but of course, we are having, yeah, so sometimes I might write from 19 hours to 20 hours, like what you're seeing on the screen right now. It's not the exact period of time we're going to be learning. Yeah, so sometimes depending on the length of the lecture, we can exceed this time or we can end fast, depending on the length of the lecture and what I've prepared. Yeah, so we'll also be having time when we'll be going through questions. Yeah, and I've set that time to be Saturday. So on Saturday, this is why I've put a tutorial on Saturday. We'll be having a session where we'll just be going through questions. If you have questions, you can be asking. But of course, even the days I'll be teaching, if you have any question, you are free to ask as I'm explaining things. And yeah, so the days of meeting are simply Tuesday and Thursday. So I've picked these 2 days. Yeah, so I've picked these 2 days um, because on Monday and Wednesday, I usually teach the second years, those guys that are doing engineering. Yeah. So we'll be meeting on Tuesday and Thursday, and we'll be having 2 courses per day. So on Tuesday, we're having math and biology. So math will be starting at 19 hours up to 20 hours. And then biology will be starting from 20 hours to 21 hours. And we'll also have physics, which will be starting from 19 to 20 hours on Thursday. And chemistry will be starting from 20 to 21 on the same Thursday. Yeah, then on Saturday, we'll be having a tutorial that is from 19 to 21 hours. All right, so this is basically what I can just talk about for now. Then about the course contents, I'll just record separate sessions that I'll send to the group. Yeah, so I'll show you everything together with the books that you are going to be using. And then the moment we just start learning, I'll be sending everything, the slides. Then apart from the slides, I'll also be sending the the tutorial sheets, which consists of questions. Yeah, so the tutorial sheets consist of questions, practice questions, of course, that you're going to be using for revision. And then apart from that, we'll also be having, I'll also be sending the books, the recommended books for you to use to study. Yeah, so this is just the course content. I'm going to send it to the group immediately I'm done with recording the session. All right, so, and for those that have not yet paid anything, make sure that you make the payments before Wednesday. Yeah, let me say before Wednesday, because I've seen a lot of people are still busy with are still busy. I think a lot of people are still busy with the holiday, so I'm sure that's a reason as to why they are not. They've not joined us today. Yeah, so those that have not yet done payments, those that have not yet paid, you can simply inbox me on WhatsApp. I'll send you the lines to which you should send the money to. And then once you make payments, I'll add you to the new groups. Yeah, so that's just a general group where everyone is. Then I'll add you to the new groups depending on the courses that you've chosen. So if for instance, you've chosen to take math and biology alone, it means that I'm going to add you to mathematics group and a biology group. And remember what I said? Each course is only 100 kwacha per month. So if you are taking 2 courses, means that you are paying a 200 kwacha. If you are taking 3 courses, means that you are paying a 300 kwacha. If you are taking 4 courses, it means that you'll be paying a 400 kwacha per month. Yeah, if you're taking 1 course, it's just 100 kwacha per month. Yeah, so that's exactly what you're supposed to do. Yeah, so the other thing is If you have any questions anytime, any day, feel free to contact me or to inbox me on WhatsApp. I'm usually online. Yeah, so, okay, I'm always online. Let me just say I'm always online. So if you have any questions as you are studying, you find a challenging question, you are free to contact me any day, even when you're open, as long as you did tuitions with me. I always help in that way. Yeah, so thank you very much. I don't know if you still have, if you have questions, those that are online, those that have joined, I don't know if you have questions. Yeah, so if you have questions, you can ask before I end the meeting. And then I'm going to send the recording to the group. And then apart from that, I'll also send the recordings for the course contents to the group. Okay. Do you have any questions, Willa? If you have a question, you can just, all right, okay. All right. Okay, then see you, I think on Thursday. That's when we're going to have our next meeting. Yeah. Okay. And yeah, on Thursday, we're going to start learning. But for today and tomorrow, I wanted us to start tomorrow, but due to the response that I've received, it seems like people are still busy with the holiday. So we can't start and leave a lot of people behind. So yeah, so for now, I think let me just concentrate on asking those that have not yet paid to do the payments so that we can begin on the same page that is on Thursday. Yeah. All right, good night. See you on Thursday.
Right.
Okay.
Okay, good night. Yeah.
Okay.